and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is actors and directors who cooperated at least 3 times. So we have a table actor-director with 3 columns, and we need to find pairs that have cooperated at least 3 times. For example, actor ID 1 cooperated with director ID 1, and we count 1, 2, 3. So it satisfies the condition. Actor ID 1 now cooperates with director ID 2 only twice. It does not satisfy the condition. And actor ID 2 cooperates with director ID 1 only twice. Therefore, the output should be actor ID 1 and director ID 1. Let's solve it first in SQL. First, we need to select 2 columns, actor ID and director ID. Then we have to write from which table. The name of the table is actor-director. Now we need to group by these 2 columns. When we use group by, we always have to write the same columns as we write in the select section. Since we cannot use where clause while we are using group by, we will use having. And we will count how many timestamp. So we need the column timestamp, which should be equals or more than 3. And now let's run it. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's submit it and let's move to Pandas. For the Pandas solution, we follow a similar logic. We take the data frame and we also group by 2 columns. We need to count how many groupings we have and we reset the index. All this we will save in the variable count. This is our data set. Now we need to filter the count. We take our data set, we specify the column that we want to filter on, and now we have to specify our condition, which is equals or more than 3. This data set we are saving in the variable result. Now we return only the requested columns. Let's run it. Here we missed the S, so let's run it again. And we successfully solved the same problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The SQL group by or the Pandas group by? Let me know in the comments.